Of Wirecast.
All right, we're good to
There you
go.
go. We are live.
We're ready?
So yeah, we are live.
All right. Hello. How are we today?
First Friday of the year.
Yep.
So there you go. We finished the first week. Hope you guys did good on your first week. Hope you guys were profitable for your first week. It seems like it was a pretty good
This
week.
is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Yeah, pretty good week. Volatility dropped a little bit, so if you're trading volatility, unless you were completely wrong directionally, which some people were because the market spiked up about 3% today. If you were directionally wrong, you're probably taking some heat. If you were neutral, you're probably taking a little heat. And if you're bullish, then you're having a good day.
Yep.
That's basically how it is. How are you guys doing? Let us know in the chat. We're going to go ahead and drop into the platform to take a look. I have some orders working. I have a couple orders working that I'm trying to get filled before the end of the day. We're going to take a look here. All right, okay. So, what do we have today? Up a little bit. Actually, up a pretty good bit. Just trying to work some trades here. Gold having a monster day. Let's just take a look at the indices. SPX up, as I mentioned before, almost 2.5%. Nasdaq up almost 3%, leading the day. Dow Jones up a modest 2%, and the Russell up just about 2.25% across the board. Some bullish tendencies across the board here. The dollar is getting hit pretty hard, which is what a lot of people are saying is causing this rally.
Yeah.
The drop in the dollar. All sectors are up across the board. The VIX is getting pummeled. Volatility is getting squeezed out of this market. And that's about it. Ethereum having a good day. All currencies. Let's see the other currencies actually.
Wirecast.
I haven't checked currencies today. Yeah. Oil pretty much unchanged. Yeah. Let's see. Currencies up across the board.
Yep.
Pretty much just reacting to weakness in the US dollar, causing all currencies to go up a little bit.
And look at that. What I love to see. Ethereum up 1.5 while Bitcoin's only up 0.5%. Which is once again one of the reasons why I say if you're gonna pick it, put it into Ethereum. It's more volatile and you can make a little bit more in the short term.
Yeah, I
Or
agree.
lose a little bit more.
You can definitely lose a little bit more, but I believe right now Bitcoin is just dead on its hindquarters, so really not a reason to trade it.
This is a pretty bigger spread than you see normally, almost by a full percent difference.
Yeah,
which is a lot different than normal.
If you're paying attention to pair trading, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is definitely leading the way.
Yeah.
Especially in the last couple weeks to a couple months. Ethereum has been leading the way in that pair. All right, let's take a look at my portfolio before 7 minutes left until the end of the day. Have a couple minutes to finish some trades here, so let's see what we're working on. Gold, nothing to really do. I could take some profits in gold. All right, gonna be solo, just you and I here today. You in the chat, me in the chat here. Hope we're all doing well. So gold having a monster day. I could take some profits in gold. I'm long gold, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. I still like the hedge that GLD is giving me against SPY, because I am short SPY. So currently we're seeing a pretty high correlation in GLD and SPY. So being short SPY and long GLD, has helped out a little bit during this SPY rally and a gold rally sort of happening at the same time. So it's giving me a nice hedge just currently. Lyft, taking a little heat on Lyft. I have an Ironfly. Lyft is rocketing to the upside. Nothing really to do. 14 days left. I could roll to the next cycle. Maybe we'll take a look at that in a second. Netflix, I already took advantage of the pop in Netflix by rolling this broken wing butterfly up to turn it into a free butterfly. And if you're not sure how to do that, check out Tasty Trade. They have a wonderful video of how to turn broken wing butterflies into free butterflies, which is what I did with Netflix. Qualcomm, nothing to do. SoFi, nothing to do. SPY, taking some heat on.
Wirecast.
Nothing really to do. Extrinsic value is getting a little out of hand to the upside, so we might have to roll the puts a little higher. I'm still gonna wait. I don't want to get caught too long in SPY right now, so I'm gonna hold out. I like the way it's hedging my portfolio in general. Tesla having a bull run. We have some long delta in Tesla. All good there. There actually is another portfolio
of Wirecast.
managing that I'm looking to fill an order on. I'm not really getting filled here. I'm trying to, again, turn a broken wing butterfly into a free butterfly. That would be this position here. So here is the broken wing butterfly. And I'm trying to roll this up to take advantage of an upswing.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
See if I can turn that into a free butterfly for a second. So that's what we're doing here. It's not filling. I'm trying to get it filled for 12 cents. It's not really working. I guess I'll bump it up to 13. See if I can get filled. Yeah, thank you. Let's see if I can get it in at 13. Let the market reach for me and get filled.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Not filling immediately. I don't really want to pay 14 cents for that. Let me just see where I'm at in general on that position. So I got 49 cents credit for that butterfly. So if I were to buy in the risk on this side for 14 cents, I'd still have 35 cents of profit. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, 49 cents. Buying it for 13. Give me a 36-cent profit on that position. However,
Of Wirecast.
it would cease to be used as a nice hedge to my upside. Let's see if I close it, what I would get. Yeah, I have to buy it back for 10 cents. That would leave a 40-cent profit, but no hedge to the upside and no extra profit to the downside. Yeah, I think I'd like to just buy in the risk. I'm going to go for that 14 center.
Of Wirecast.
I'm going to pop it in for 14, see if we get filled right at the bell here. See if we get filled at the bell. Not getting filled. Just trying to get this filled right at the end. I don't know why we're not getting filled.
This
I'm not too worried about that. I'm going to switch over. First Solar, nothing to do. Wow, First Solar having a monster run today. I don't mind being short energies right now. Nothing else to do. I could try to roll a lift, but I'm probably going to wait until tomorrow. And I think that's it.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Nice day in the long-term portfolio. Gonna get the closing bell here in a second. 20 seconds.
This
That's me
is a
buying and putting
demonstration
Tesla.
of
It's looking
Wirecast.
at my working orders. Yeah, I bought a little long put in Tesla just to protect my downside. Man, this is not filling. I'm not going for 15, so if you're not going to give it to me, then I don't want it. Man, it's right at 15. I'm not going for 15. So the market is either going to come to me or I'll just hold that position. I think you got to stay strong. Important to know when you should reach and when you want the market to reach back at you. And
Demonstration of Wirecast.
I'm not reaching at this market. Not happening. So if it fills, it fills. I'm right at mid price. If it doesn't fill, it doesn't fill. Nothing to do. Go on tomorrow with more upside hedge. What are we doing into the close? I'm leaning a little long at the close. Yeah, long about 3 beta weighted deltas. We'll
This
take
is a
that. Pretty
demonstration of
neutral
Wirecast.
lift. Yeah, I got a lot of short deltas for solar, Lyft, Netflix, long in Tesla. Yeah, we're pretty short on our options portfolio. Longer, obviously, with our swings and long term. Might have to get a little. Yeah, we're leaning pretty short. We're gonna have to wait for a downturn to lean a little bit longer,
This is a demonstration
a little
of
bit
Wirecast.
more long delta wise. But for now, pretty neutral portfolio wise. Like it. We're gonna take the big day today. Up about 2% across portfolios. Good day, good day. See if I got filled here. I don't think so. Not getting filled. I wonder why it's not filling. I mean, I'm not going to 15 cents,
This is a
so.
demonstration of Wirecast.
Yeah, definitely not going to fill that. So if it doesn't fill, it doesn't fill. Nothing to do. Just going to leave that there. Take the double cross portfolios. How are you guys doing? Let us know in the chat how you're doing. If you're having a good day, not so good day.
This is a
Were
demonstration
you expecting a
of
bullish run? Were
Wirecast.
you not? Let us know in the chat. I'm checking the chat. Let us know how you guys are doing. Nothing in the chat. Say something.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Let me know. Let's check out any news while we're waiting. Okay, what do we got here? Anything at the close? Anything crazy? Anything crazy going on at the close? I don't think so. SPY. Still can't find a speaker. I don't think anybody cares.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Wow, still not too much pressure to the buy side on close. Pretty neutral. 144 million to the buy side is not too much. Coinbase not really participating in the rally today for some reason. Netflix looking to get into the video game. It's old news. Amazon having a pretty good day off some pretty decent data. I think some data came out either
This
earlier
is
today
a
or yesterday that
demonstration of Wirecast.
Black Friday and holiday shopping was better than expected. So Amazon getting a little bump there. Also with talks of Jeff Bezos coming in, maybe having a Bob Iger effect like Disney, but we're not sure about that. A little bit of a whale alert with Boeing. If anyone's interested in Boeing, we have a whale alert from earlier today, about 45 minutes ago. Mostly bearish sentiment.
This is a
A
demonstration
lot of call
Wirecast.
option activity, but that call activity is neutral to bearish. Only a little bit of bullish sentiment on the whale activity, mostly neutral to bearish. And a lot of the neutral trades are, give me a second here. Yeah, Boeing at 212. Yeah, some long calls way
This is
in
a
the money.
demonstration of Wirecast.
Yeah, some super far in the money long calls, giving it, a neutral to bullish sentiment, but mostly neutral. I would say this is, super neutral because you got some bullish, a little bit more bearish, but not super far out of the money short call. Not really put a lot of sell pressure on the market. I would say these are more bullish trades, even though they say neutral. They're more bullish trades because they're super far in the money calls. So you do have a pretty extensive long delta with these trades. So I would say more bullish than neutral. Yeah, and that's it. Not too much going on at the close. Let's take a look back at the platform just to see where everything closed. Okay.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
It's closing up about 2%, a little bit more. The Nasdaq is the outperformer, up about 2.75%, 3/5%. The VIX getting hit pretty hard, a little bit of a run back at the end. Yeah, mostly up since the report came out in the morning. It was like a 10 a.m. non-farms payroll data. It was negative data, but it was bullish for the market because basically showing that inflation, what the Fed has been doing to combat inflation has been working. So bad data is bullish.
This is a demonstration
Question
of
mark still?
Wirecast.
Nasdaq, same idea. The Dow, yeah, all the same ideas here. Let's just take a look at the full market. Ooh, the dollar getting cracked. Really, what's the catalyst in all this is the dollar. Bonds having a nice day. I mean, it makes sense. It makes sense. Dollar down, risk assets up, equities up, equity valuations higher. So it makes sense.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Other than that, I would say pretty boring day. Made some money. Good day, good day, good day. Ooh, guys, if you let me know what you're doing, I would love to check out your portfolios just to see where you're leaning, what your ideas are. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm going to take a little hiatus off the stream for today, but we will be back next week, either on Monday or Tuesday, most likely Monday. So check us out back on YouTube on Monday for some more portfolio walkthroughs, market commentary, what else you guys have been doing. Appreciate it. Thanks for checking out our stream.